Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today because today I am going to be cleaning out, decluttering, and organizing my linen closet. I have a closet in one of my hallways, and it's where I keep so many things. And I even keep things there that don't belong. So let's get that cleared out, declutter the excess, get it organized, and get everything put back where it really should go. Before we start organizing, be sure to like and subscribe. I was on a roll taking things out of my closet, and then I just started putting them back in, so I thought I'd better stop and catch up with the filming so you can see everything I did. Here is my hallway linen closet. This is between my guest bathroom and guest bedroom. I have just a couple of extra heirloom baskets in here, a new tree skirt that I plan on using this year, a small umbrella because I really don't need a big umbrella. It doesn't rain very often at all where I live. And I have some beach towels I put on the top shelf because we don't need those often either. I have some new washcloths, some makeup washcloths, and some regular shower washcloths in case I have guests coming. I always like to keep some new fresh ones. A couple sets of sheets, one for the guest bedroom and one for my bed. Guest bath towels here. And then I have some hand towels that I like to use in the winter. They're so nice with a beautiful snowflake. I don't really get holiday towels because if I have holiday towels, they're specific for that holiday, but those can be used all winter long. I have extra pillowcases here. Then I have my family photos. These are just loose photos that are in a box. They're odd sizes and Polaroids, all different type of photos. Some brand new kitchen washcloths, my picture hanging hooks, my cookbooks, and my family photo albums. On this next shelf, all I have is a fan in case a guest would like a little fan, but I have this entire shelf empty. I don't know what I'll even put on here, but I'm so excited to see the empty clean space. I have the attachments here to my vacuum cleaner, which I decided to set right here in this closet. In the very bottom, I have my sewing machine. Here I have some felt pads that I can use on furniture or put on things so they don't scratch, and some command hooks in case I need to hang anything with a command hook. And here I have all of my sewing equipment. I just put it all in this basket because I can easily grab it in and out of this closet whenever I'm gonna sew. Let's take a look at the whole entire closet from top to bottom. I'm so excited that it's nice and orderly. Now whenever I have guests come to visit, they can get extra towels or things out of here. If they need extra sheets or anything they need, they can pull it out, and I won't have to worry about the embarrassment of a messy closet anymore. I can't believe I have 3 bags of things to donate at the donation center as well. Here are all the things I have that I'm going to be taking from that closet to donate. I can't wait to go get them dropped off. I am so happy you were here today. I had so much fun getting this closet cleaned once and for all. It has needed to be done for quite some time, and it's finally accomplished. I'm done with the big task of organizing and cleaning out that closet. I'm so happy that I let the excess things go that were taking up so much room and causing the disorganization. I'm really glad you were here. I appreciate it so much, and I'll be super happy if you like and subscribe on this video. And I'll see you next time.